He's in some pain.
There's Jones. Decides to take the shot.
That hit Trocheck, Joe, I think.
It sure did.
Ouch, ouch, and double ouch for Vincent Trocheck. We've got a lot to talk about. Don't move a muscle. Stick around.
He's in some pain.
There's Jones. Decides to take the shot.
That hit Trocheck, Joe, I think.
It sure did.
Yikes, brother. Yeah. Mr. Vincent Trocheck, Trocho Cinco himself, took a puck to the nuts. And I don't even want to know what kind of pain he was feeling in that moment. But the good thing is, he was okay after a few minutes and was back at it again. So we know Trocheck's a tough guy. Come on. Come on. He's tough because he eats all that focaccia bread. Oh! Yeah, that's right. So in the comments section, just say, get well soon, Trocheck, even though he's all right now. But yeah, that was a hell of a shot. So in the comments, tell me what you think about it. Don't forget to subscribe with all notifications on. We are so close to our goal of 1,000 subscribers. So we're all cool now. We're all friends. We like hockey. So, subscribe. Join the team. It's free. Like and share. It lets us know you care.